I was in the hospital for several days with severe asthma, and so we realized that we need a new vacuum, and this Kenmore is wonderful. It's actually very light. It was so easy to put together because I don't have a lot of energy, and the bags that go in it are these really thick. I mean, I've never seen a laundry bag that thick. It's wonderful, and it says it's easy insert, so it's basically no touch is what it says, no touch bag technology. It's an intuition, and it's so easy to use. I just love it. I've always been a fan of Kenmore, but I give this 10 stars.